We are in the last module. Knowledge article. What is knowledge article? Um, okay, so before that, anyone gone through about knowledge article in service now? If yes, we can raise your hand. You can provide high level definition of knowledge article. Anyone knows? Okay, that's fine. Okay. So knowledge article means, for example, to access a Chrome in company internal server Chrome, there is a steps to do that. Okay. Because accessing Chrome internet in the company internal server, it is restricted. So they have to connect some kind of VPN firewall to connect internet in the local server. There are some steps to do that. Okay. So now the individual, they don't know how to do. They were raising the incident stating that unable to connect the internet in the local server. Okay. So now support team will help them. You have to go here, you have to go this, then they'll take. Again, one more employee, again, he will raise the incident stating that unable to connect internet in the local server. Again, support team will tell them step by step, connect the VPN, connect the firewall, and then try. So like this, every day, more than 10 incident is creating for the same issue. Okay. So for that, hold on a minute, I'm listening a call. Okay, so similarly, I mean, they keep on and they were raising the incident. The support team is spending time to resolve that. So now the support team is coming to one point that let's create a article. Okay, let's create article. Step by step, we'll provide the instruction how to access the internet in the local server. So they created article which has each steps with full of description, full of screenshot, full of directions how to do that. They made article, they published. Okay, so once they published, if anyone is creating the incident, the support team will copy paste the article on the incident and they close the incident. So you got right. So we cannot go and tell always the same answer to everyone. So once we support team always document the steps in the article. In later someone comes also, we can directly ask them to refer this article before reaching out to us. We cannot go on the frequently asked questions. Okay, something like that. So this is called the knowledge management. Support team, any team, it's my team, on behalf of my team, I create a lot of articles so that my team members, later someone joins, they shouldn't come and ask me how to navigate to this project. First, to go through these articles, then you'll come to know everything. So like that, each team has their own knowledge article. We have HR team has a separate knowledge article. For example, if I want to search a holiday list in India, they posted in the knowledge article. So I can go and I can check. So it's not necessarily unnecessarily we have to go and reach out to HR team to, I mean, certain instructions, details and all posted in the knowledge article. We can go and refer. Okay. So this is called knowledge article. How we are creating the incident, how we are creating the problem change. Similarly, we can create knowledge article and we can publish. So once we publish, how we are accessing the catalog item. Similarly, they can access the order gate also. Sorry, the articles. I'm just giving high level. So you also go through the exact documentation of knowledge management. Okay. So We go to the service portal. So ultimate, this is the front end, the end user can access. Okay, so here you can see the knowledge base, like here, where you can see a lot of categories. You can see Microsoft Outlook issue, Excel functionality. So these and all already supportive as resolved and they provide the steps. Okay. So if you stuck with something, better check in the knowledge article. Still, if this is not helpful, then you can raise an incident. Okay. So we should not unnecessarily raise an incident. Though we raise an incident, support team, they will share this link. Okay. If you raise an incident stating that uh, how to configure VPN copy device, if again you create an incident, support team will copy this link. They'll open your incident. They'll close the incident. Okay. We won't sit and help you how to do this and all. This and all you have to use your own skills to do this. They'll give the steps you have to do this. Okay. So I'm just saying, I'm creating a new incident. Unable to access. Just we'll put unable to access. Okay. So I'm creating incident means. Okay. So now the support team, what they do, they'll say, there is an incident. Darshan. Hi Darshan. Please refer below link. Okay. They'll resolve the incident. They won't care. Okay. So they'll resolve like this. Got it. So support team they does this. So support team will have thousands of articles in hand. They won't waste their time. If I can daily 10 employees keep on will ask the same question. Unable access. It is like you understood, right? So support team cannot go and sit with all the 10 people daily. They can waste their times. Instead that create a knowledge article and publish it. So once knowledge articles, how we are publishing our first really publish knowledge article means here any end user can go and search. So if you see create a email signature, I just open this article. See how steps they give nicely. First go here, these steps to do this. Okay, see like this, how many article they have. See step by step they'll give how to access. It will be hardware, stuff, anything, okay. Any kind of clarification. Some article has videos, image, and others. So at the end, you should know knowledge article also has its own number. This is a knowledge article. You can see the number. Incident has INC001, right? Similar knowledge article has a KB00. So you will be creating the article actually. Okay, so under knowledge, we have the article create new. We can create an article that we'll see tomorrow. Okay, but this high level, what it is. It is also ticketing, but when we have to do, who has to do. So like every team can create their own article to help others. Okay, so as I said, HR team has a thousands of article. If I want to know any HR policy, I can go to the HR article and I can go through the document of them. Okay, so there will be one more called HR. Say IT team is there, email is there, device, application. So all kind of we can create one more category called HR team, support team, admin team, network team. So any clarification you can go and see. Still, if you're not happy, then you can create an incident. Though you are getting incident without reading this, still the support team they won't waste the time. They'll directly paste the article. They'll progress on the incident. Okay. So yeah, that's all high level about knowledge article. Okay. Yeah. So now we will work on flow. Just give me a minute. Okay, so workflow editor. So this is the application under this module editor. Okay. So I will edit my existing workflow. I mean, you have to create a new workflow. Okay. It's already checked out, published. Okay. So we can have dummy uh, article also with unconnected. Okay. It won't make any problem. We can keep sides. Okay. So now I want to create a, after it is approved, I want to create multiple catalog item. Okay. Not one by one, multiple catalog item at a time. Okay. After this, it will end. So now I'll publish. Okay, so now what I do, I'll quickly submit it. Right. Yeah. Right. It's not optional. Harry, you last just want to do a quick check. When are you doing the discussion? Okay, I'll submit this. Copy the numbers back to the instance here. It is created or item show workflow A. It's waiting for the first level approval for this. Second level approve this. Now 3 tasks is generated. Okay. Well, for some reason only 2 was created. Fulfillment 1, fulfillment task. Not sure why this is not created. It shows a green color. Ideally, this should create a 3 task, but only 2 has created. It's not have any assignment groups. We should create task in a way. Let's see. So this is for parallel. Parallelly, we are creating a task. Okay, so parallel workflow we call this. So far we are saying when we close the first task, after closing second task will generate. So it's a 1 by 1. Now at a time I want to create a 3 task, and I want to we have to use a join and branch for that. Okay, so I want to showcase it's not.
We need to select the catalog task, not create task.
Super man, super. Super.
No, sir, actually,
Yeah. This is the create task. This is the catalog task. Super. So this would have created a task on the task table. Good. Who said? I mean, who is that?
Siddhappa, sir.
Super. Good, man. So it would have created a task. I don't know what it created, but it's a good finding. Yeah. Troubleshooted nicely. Otherwise, we would have banged our head for another 10-15 minutes.
Madam,
Yes.
what's the difference between catalog task and the create task?
Now create task on the we can create a task on the incident, on the change and problem. So that's a task. The record producer is a task-based record. That means incident, change, problem. So yeah, we are creating a catalog task. Catalog item we created. So anything it will be a task, not a catalog task. It is not just a task. So see, you can see if you create a task on this table. Good, actually, good finding it is. Small issues we are not careless means then we'll be spending our time on investigating what went wrong. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so okay, so if we see here the workflow context, the 3 task leave the 2 tasks is generated. Now, if I close the 1 task, I close one task. You can see that the stage and state, everything become close complete, where the one task still is open state. Okay. So Sandhya, right? So, okay. Can you all check once after? I understand that you would have already had access, but just confirm because like right now. Okay, here you can see this task is close complete, and this task became close incomplete. And if you see the flow, we can see this is completed, and once this completed, it directly came to an end state. So once the workflow is ended, the remaining task will become incomplete. Okay, so now my requirement is once I close this task, I want to wait. Okay, wait till other task complete. Not like only when the parallel three task one is closed, it should not go to end. I want to wait. See, now it did not wait. After this close, it came end. And once it is ended, it will make all incomplete task as an incomplete task. Okay. To do that, we have to use we have to use a branch. Okay, so instead this. So mention it in the chat. Hari, are we missing anyone from this call? Critical. So after the approval action, go to branch, from branch, let it go. Where is Shruti? Shruti, after this, it should not directly end. Yes, yes. So we have something called join. So Sandhya and Shruti, I'm having me and Ulala are having a regular connect with them in the morning at 11:30. So track on the ATF. Okay, so that's a daily call, right? Connect everything to the join. So this will be, do you have one? And then the complete one you put on the end. Okay. So now you can see we have a three task. So after branch, it is having three branch. Three branches going to three different tasks. At the end of this, you're going to join. And after the join, it is coming to the end. I mean the stage end. Okay, so now I publish. So this is called parallel activity. So what is the progress on? So that's why for this week, and they said that there will be a 10 days requirement to complete all those festivals. So Agent is blocking for us right now, and that's why we are keeping it's not that clear. No, that's fine. That's fine because I do not want to end up having multiple calls. But if you have a very focused agenda there and you are trying to fix something, I'm fine with that. Yes, yeah, that's what is the objective. Yeah, that's where we're keeping it as of now. Let us until the rhythm gets set. Let it be like this until ATF is going to be normal. Yeah. Maybe second approval period. So other than that, most of people who are part of our core team are there. I have to see it also. You can see that after the approval, how the three tasks is generated. Yeah, three. So now I'm going to close even. Sure, Vivek. Let's see if where you can see this join is waiting. Okay, one is closed. The join is making sure the other has to come. So once the remaining two comes, the activity will stay on the join activity. So it never goes to end. Okay, so post closure of the remaining two. It will go for and they'll ask in the interview what is the purpose of branch and join. This is to perform a parallel workflow activity. We'll be using a branch and join. So we have to take a branch. So once the branch is split, we have to join back. Okay, so two is closed. Now remaining only 5 close. Yeah, after 3 tasks closed, everything is closed. So this is how the parallel activity will work. Parallel workflow we say. Okay, so from here, I mean, again, we will come back to workflow once we gone through the basic scripting. So here we have some basic scripting. So again, we'll come back in the workflow for advanced than this. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So tomorrow, I mean, today I have to create a new workflow and implement the branch and join for multiple tasks. So don't edit existing one, create multiple. So how many number of workflow will create, that much you get experienced. Okay. So in the interview, they'll ask, so far, how many workflows have you created? Okay, so it is good to create a number of workflow to get a more experience. Okay. Okay, team. So this is the task for the day. Tomorrow we'll be starting a new module called knowledge management. I can see someone raised a hand. Girish.
Yeah,
Yes.
Madhavan.
Yes.
Now we have showed that incomplete task, the complete one now.
Yes.
Branch.
Yes.
Can you open that once?
Yes.
Yeah, in that actually we are not after the join the complete it goes to the end. If it is incomplete, then you have to give to approval rejected, or we are not going to use any incomplete also.
We can use mostly if never incomplete. We can create a one more set value and we can reject actually. Yeah, I mean, it's good to have some false. It is published. Yeah, tomorrow we'll discuss this. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So we can connect a incomplete also. We can connect in that won't be a complete state. That will be incomplete state. So we will have one more box here that will connect here. No.
Thank you.
Okay, team. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.